Hello, the name's Bond, James Bond. Oh no, sorry, no. Hello, welcome back to another episode. So those who already know me, thanks for coming back. And for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode, we're going to be working on this DB11. This is in for our Ultimate Plus package, where we'll be doing the paint and plastics and the glass. We've also got a couple of little stone chips we're going to touch up as well. We're going to be using Chipex for this. We're not doing anything with the wheels at this moment. But yeah, so as always, if you've got any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is detailing done properly. Sit back, relax, and let me do all the hard work. Right, so first of all, we're going to use some fallout remover. Just going to spray that over the vehicle. Once I've done fallout remover, I'm going to be using a sprayable pre-wash today. Once we've used that, we'll jet wash that off, give it a wash down with some shampoo. Once we've done that, we'll get it dry, get all the edges and everything blown out, get it on the ramps, and then we can get on to polishing, well, masking, polishing, ceramicing. And we've got stone chips too as well. Right, so first thing I want to do is mask up this piano black. We will be polishing it. I'm just not going to polish it just yet. I'm going to focus on polishing all of the painted area. And in that previous shot I've shown you, obviously there's damage here from where somebody hasn't done what I'm about to do. They've tried polishing in here and damaged that with the backing pad of the actual machine. So the obvious thing to do there would be to tape this up, so that's what I'm going to do now. This will allow us to get right to the edge without worrying about damaging the actual piano black itself. I mean, for the time it takes. There's no need to do the top of the doors because obviously the top of the doors are flat. Here we're just working with this angle, which is obviously in. When the angles are out, you can roll the machine, so it's not too bad, but when it's in, you've got to be very, very careful. Right, so now the polishing is done and we've removed what we can remove. Obviously we're left with the dreaded stone chips. So the paint for that has just arrived. So I'm going to get the vehicle down on the ground. We're going to touch in all the stone chips. We've got a little bit here to do and a little bit on the side skirt as well. So we'll do those also. Once we've done the stone chips, we've got them as flat and level as we can. And then we're going to get the car back on the ground again. Or it might already be on the ground, but anyway, we're going to get the ceramic on. Once the ceramic's on, we'll leave that secure and then it's all good to go. So we are Chipex approved applicators and have been for many, many years now. It's not something we openly offer, I suppose, due to obviously not everybody needing it. But it is something we offer, especially on jobs like this, because it is the difference usually between finished and unfinished. So you'll see how I do them now. There's several different methods. I'm sure everybody's got their own way of doing it. I've got my own way that I've learned how to do over the last few years, so I'll show you that now. Right, so now we've almost finished the chips. Just going to do a small amount of spot polishing on the areas where I've levelled the chip. Just so we haven't got any marring from obviously what I'm doing now. And then once we've done that, we'll let the paint rest overnight again. And then tomorrow morning we come in and crack on nice and early and get the Ultimate Plus on. And this vehicle is ready to hit the road. Right, so now the stone chips are done and everything is prepared, I'm going to get the vehicle on the ground. We're going to give it a wipe over with some IPA, which is the wax is dead cleaner, so that removes any oils or greases or contaminants. Once we've done that, the humidity is at 65% at the moment, which isn't too bad. It's a little bit higher than what I'd like, but our cut-off is 70. So as long as temperatures don't change too much, then we'll be fine. So I'm going to get the car on the ground, give it a wipe over, and then I'll get the ceramic coatings on. Right, so as previously mentioned, this vehicle is going to be getting the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus. This is a 10-year coating and this is to be installed by approved users only. We are one of Wax is Dead's elite installers, which gives us access to fantastic products like this. The vehicle's been wiped down with IPA, it is now ready to go. I'm happy with everything, the paint's as good as we can get it. So yeah, we're going to get on with the ceramic coating. As always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Detailing Done Properly. My name's Daryl. Sit back, relax, and let me do all the work. Out with the old and in with the new.